Hey there, my friend, fellow trader. It's Will here with the XAUUSD.com. First of all, welcome to the video. So this week's free trade alert is on gold. And before we actually get into the trade idea, if you're new to the channel or new to any of my videos, just simply click the subscribe button now to stay updated with all the latest trading videos I post and weekly trade alert ideas. You can also join the free private Facebook group via the link in the description of this YouTube video. Okay, so this week's trade idea is on gold. The markets have been pretty crazy over the last week. Lots of volatility in the markets, some crazy moves. Last Monday we had some huge spikes and some huge crashes across some of the currency moves. Wasn't a really great start to the week for me last week, and actually finished off pretty well, uh, regaining most of last Monday's losses, and ended the week with a slight loss. But thanks to our risk control, we are here to trade for another week. So this week's trade idea is on gold, and with increased volatility in the markets, I'm looking only at the higher time frames for likely moves. Okay, lower time frame technical setups tend not to work in times like this. The best moves are actually on the higher time frames. Okay, so you can see last week with all the uncertainty in the market, all this COVID virus, really gold should be rallying. It isn't because we're at higher time frame areas. But what I'm actually looking at here is it's coming back down into this monthly area here that caused this high. Okay, so this to me personally is giving me a nice opportunity maybe to buy gold next week. Okay, not where it is now, but I'm looking to buy it down in here. Okay, at this weekly start of this weekly move here. Okay, so you had this rally, this pause, and then this new rally that caused a high up into hitting last week's 1700 area, and we've had a strong reaction at 1700. So I'm liking a move next week at 1460. Okay, I'll be looking to buy this at stop loss at 1430 under this weekly zone. Okay, and targeting around 1600 for a take profit. So it is basically these are strong moves, strong higher time frame areas. I'm not looking at the lower time frames. I'm looking for the higher time frame moves where we're going to be able to capitalize on this higher volatility that has presented itself in the current markets. Okay, so this week's trade idea is on gold, and we're looking to buy gold at 1460. Stop loss is going to be at 1430, and take profit will be at 1600. Okay, so a nice risk reward there, and if it does react at that area, we're likely to get a strong reaction to the upside. Okay, so gold technically, I know technicals aren't really working at the minute, but technically should be rallying in times like this. It's not, it's dropping, so I'm liking to buy at higher time frame buying area. So pause the video now, take that gold idea down. Remember, we enter these trades at the start of the week, the Tokyo Open on a Monday, which is 8 a.m. Tokyo time. Use Google time zone converter to convert the time, whatever time zone you're in. This allows us to avoid weekend gaps and the huge spreads that happen on the first 2 hours of the weekly open. Okay, so that's the gold idea for this week. We have, you look at the charts here, we have some very, very nice setups across all currency pairs this week, total of 24 setups. And these are all setups that are like with huge ranges, a lot of volatility, and it's going to allow us to profit huge if some of these trades get activated this week. Okay, so if you want to access our signal service, you can click the link below. Remember, we guarantee you a minimum of 900 pips every 90 days. providing you follow the recommendations in the service. Click the link below, get started. Any questions, let me know at will@fxace.com, and have a profitable trading week. Let me know how your gold trade does this week, and yeah, have a great week.